my dog's called.
Huh?
I know what my dog's called. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Fox.
Another light show.
You can do it.
I can actually do it.
Think back to when you were 30 and you were young again.
Oh man. I didn't remember everything then. Especially when I was 29. I get it. Not first. Alfred.
Alfred.
And Max.
Max. So we've got Fox, Alfred, Max.
April.
April.
Ja, lille
Good stuff.
Ja, lille
Oh.
Slip.
Good stuff. That's how you give it to them without getting your hand ripped off.
No, yeah. I mean, I can take food from any of these guys.
Oh yeah, I can imagine. Yeah.
So I don't. If you guys are feeding them,
Yeah.
if I'm nearby and said no,
Yeah.
they probably will just take it
Yeah.
easily.
Yeah. Beautiful. Thank you.
Alfred. He's like a tractor, this guy.
How old's Alfred?
Alfred is not old, he's only...
Is he youngin'?
Yeah, 3.
3. Oh, he's so fluffy. Yeah, these are strong dogs.
He's so strong.
In the morning when I'm trying to harness them up, they're just ready and raring. Hey, Max.